Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Muhammad Junaid YouTube channel. I am Muhammad Junaid and today we are talking about how to install Flutter and VS Code, Visual Studio Code in your laptop or in your PCs. So the first thing you have to do is open Google Chrome and simple you can type Flutter SDK. Okay, enter. Then the first link you have to show, click on it. After that, press get started and select your operating system. Okay, you can see there are four options. I am the Windows user, so I can select Windows. Now scroll down and here you can see this is the latest version of Flutter. Okay, click on it and it starting downloading, and we also download the VS Code. Type VS Code download, and here you can see the first link. Download Visual Studio Code. Select your operating system and keep it. Now VS Code also downloading. So guys, here you can see it's almost done. We just need to do is show in folder, or you can open it also. So double click on it and it can start it installing. Just hold on a while. Accept the agreement. Click next. By default location, go with by default location. Okay, don't change it. Next, and again next. So you have to check in four of this. Okay, then next, install it. Okay, finish it. So our VS Code is installed successfully. Now we just waiting for Flutter. So our VS Code is done. Now we can use our time. Still the Flutter is downloading. In this time period, we also install some extensions in VS Code. The first extension you have to type is Dart. Press enter and you can see there is a Dart language. Its language runs in Flutter. Okay, Flutter basically is a platform where you can build an application on the same time. It can run on iOS and also on Android or web application also. Okay, so the language used, the programming language used in Flutter is called Dart. Okay, so you install it. So Dart is installing, and also we can install here Flutter. There is no need of Dart, but just they basically there is a built-in Dart is built-in in Flutter, so I can I install it. If you don't want to install Dart separately, so don't do it. Okay, so one more thing I have to do is type here color brackets, because your work is, if you are coding, it's so amazing to see different colors of code in codes. Okay, install it. So it's done. Again, showing folder and refresh once. Okay, so now we extract here. can extract thing. Okay, so guys, your path has been successfully declared. Now the only thing you also see that Flutter installed, Dart installed, bracket pair installed. Okay, so here you can install Dart SDK.
So now click on it and your downloading is starting. Then you have 64-bit operating system, select this one. Now it's start.
So your Dart has been downloaded successfully. Now show in folder and extract here. Cut it, paste it here, open it, press the bin folder and copy the SDK path to environmental variables. PNB, edit, new, control V. Okay. So now we can create the folder here. Here you can say this and open with code. Now make a new file. We can name this main.dart. So go and run, add program, file name and extension. Save it. Function print hello. Save it. Run. Start debugging. Here you can see it's launching and you got hello. Okay. So now we want to run it in terminal. So we can type dart main.dart. Okay. So here you can see it's printed. What if you want any kind of value? So I can write it. What is your name? Value comes from user. So we have to use import library, import dart, input output. Okay. So now you can use the command here is string. You can declare an string variable where you can your name, your shirt, NAME name. Okay. So I can give the name of that variable is name. So type std in sorry type std in dot read line sync. Okay, and as string terminator. Then type here print command and welcome welcome Dollar sign is used for calling the variable name in a string. Okay, so I made a program where I first the program is asking to the user that what is your name. Okay, so after that user input their name with the help of this command line. Okay, then program return it as welcome and the name of that person. Okay, so dart main.dart, press enter. So the system is asking what is your name. So it can say Michael. Okay, so system is what system telling? Welcome Michael. Do you understand? It's easy, it's very easy. All you need is just practicing. In debug console, the user could not enter value where entered from input from user. We cannot take input from user. So in terminal you can use it. Okay, I clear all the things. If you have any kind of error in terminal while you are running the program in terminal,
Then you should just check the environmental variables that you can declare the path correctly or not. Okay, if you like my video, press the like button and subscribe my channel. And you have any queries, feel free to comment. Thank you so much.